Okay, YouTubers, today we got us a vegan treat. Super excited. It's not peanut butter, it's chia seed pudding. So all we're going to need is some chia seeds, some almond milk, and coconut milk, which I use the canned kind. I like to use it because it helps thicken it. And what I like to use is some syrup, your preference, some vanilla extract, and some agave. And this helps kind of like hold it together so it's pudding-like and not soup-like. It helps it not be so watery, because what it is, these little seeds, when the milk hits them, they expand and they become kind of tapioca-like, like little pearls. So it's not so tough. And like, there's different ways you can do it. You can do it like in a pudding, you can do it in a cup, like a parfait. It's just different ways. You know, so you could do it 8 hours in the fridge, or you can stick it, if it's like in a cup, you can stick it in the freezer for about 10 minutes. But when you're doing large quantities, you just want to put it in the fridge overnight, which I happen to did, so after I show you how to make it, I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Let's get started. 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. Here we go. Bridget is my lovely camera woman today. Going to put in the milk. Now we're going to put in the coconut milk. It's a little tricky, so you're going to want a spoon. There we go. It kind of just clumps together, so there we go. Going to need an official tablespoon of one of each. Like I said, these are going to help make it, well, this is for flavor, but the other 2 are to help thicken it. They're like thickening agents. It's science, but with cooking. There we go. Syrup, eh? Agave. There we go. And I like to use a tablespoon of cinnamon. We'll see how this goes. Oh, a little extra. But I like it cinnamony. You really kind of need to use a good bit so it can kind of like go across and be really like tell it's there. Okay. And you can use a whisk or a fork. I'm going to use a fork. And we're going to get this started. You also can double the recipe and make big batches. It doubles well, or triples. You don't have to worry about it being like, I know some stuff gets weird when you double it, like it's like this portion only. I know, it's a lot of cinnamon. But it helps, you know, you really want to be able to taste. If you don't like cinnamon, do a teaspoon. But if you want to be able to tell it's there, if you want like a cinnamon taste for your chia, but if you want just in the background, you know, there's some health benefits of cinnamon. So, if you just really want those benefits, but you don't want to taste it, just do a teaspoon or half a teaspoon. It's all about preference and what you want. Okay. So you want to wait till it looks like this. You see how there's chia seeds, but how it's got a nice consistency. Just make sure there's no lumps on the bottom. The chia seeds love to lump. Throw in a little one of these, a little that. Just make sure it's not clumping. And you put container lid. Cut out that air. And I'll show you what it looks like after it sits 8 hours. And that's what it looks like when it's solid. I'll get a spoon to kind of show you the consistency real quick. I put mine in the freezer so it's got a little iciness to it. But you see how it's solid? How it's not at all runny? That's how you know it's ready. Now, if you don't at all put it in the freezer, you're just going to just put it in the fridge for a little bit, you want to make sure it's not like you pick it up and run it down. You want to be able to get a fork and hold it and make sure none comes out. It's really great for, you can use it by itself. It's great breakfast or for smoothie bowls which you might see in another video coming up. Thank y'all, it's been really fun. Bye!